Sleep well?
Yeah, it was good. Aye, pretty decent.
Quiet, wasn't it? Much quieter. So I've had some slugs using me tent as a skating rink by the looks of it last night. Somebody's had a field day on it. If you can see all the slug trails. We've had hellish fun there last night.
Are you sleeping bag now?
Aye. Loads of condensation last night. None the night before, strangely. Loads last night. Time for some breakfast on there. That's for breakfast, Ian.
Proper breakfast sausages. Is it about done, do you think? Yeah. Got a bun ready? Little bun to me. It might be a while, like.
I'll have me sandwich.
Why we're eating. This kettle's boiled, Paddy.
Aye, over it all.
Oh, not too bad, them showers. Very out in the open.
Does he put tomato sauce on?
No.
That won't come out.
Well, takes it off the heat, mixes it, puts it back on the heat, mixes it, and takes it off another.
Lovely that.
Anybody want some instant?
Anybody want a filter coffee? Some filters and that there, loads. Quick video on how I charge my batteries, or battery. So everything I've got all the electronics and everything. All I do is I have one 20,000 ampere hour battery. If you can see that now, it's on 20%, so that's charged everything, drone, cameras, phone, all the batteries, GoPros, everything overnight. And all I do is I have a Optimate USB connection which goes on the Optimate charging lead, so I don't have to have any extra wiring for that. And all I do is I plug the battery into there, slide that underneath, so that charges through the day, get to where you're going, and that charges everything on the night time. Just about packed up now. We're going to head towards Kenmare and the start of the Ring of Kerry. See you on the road. So this is Holan Harbour. Tiny little town, couple of bars, couple of restaurants, chippy. So the campsite, what can I say? I mean, beautiful location. Probably that's about it. Facilities are poor. Open air showers, which I don't mind, but I'll tell you a bit in a minute about that. No hot water. Described as having washing facilities with no hot water. No hot water in the toilets. Water cabin. Very unkempt field. So what he does, he mows the lawn and mows circles out for each kind of plot. The four of us got in one plot, but it hadn't been done for a couple of weeks by the looks of it. At this time of year, that ain't good enough, unfortunately. The main thing is, when we got there, after phoning ahead, the cost, he tried to charge us €100 for 4 one-man tents. So I think he kind of thought he had me by the balls because we had nowhere else to go. But when I questioned him, he instantly said, well, how about I charge you half that? So straight away I'm thinking, why not just charge the €12.50 each a night to start with? €25 a night to put a one-man tent with next to zero facilities on any camp field is atrocious. So obviously a tourist trap, but I can still recommend it as long as you phone up in advance and make sure you're not looking for facilities. Don't expect the world, but the location is fantastic and a great start to the Wild Atlantic Way. So we're now going to head towards Kenmare with a view to maybe doing the Ring of Kerry today. We'll be looking for a coffee stop probably in an hour, maybe it's in Kenmare. Catch up with you then. Just heading along the Wild Atlantic Way on the very southern tip of Ireland. Just give you an idea of the coastline. Beautiful roads and scenery, mountains in the foreground there. So unspoiled, beautiful. You can just ride anywhere here. Every road's amazing. The condition of the roads are perfect for adventure bikes. Wouldn't be like riding a sports bike along here, but Swans. This is literally the perfect bike for this trip. Proper adventure bike road, this one. This pass here. Oh, get out. just checking out the suspension on the Triumph here. It's carrying 500 kilos and it's flipping mint. Whoa, get down, lad. Bad lad. Very good electronic suspension on that. Let's have a look where we are. So this one is, how do you pronounce that, man? How are you? Seafin viewpoint. Seafin or Seafin? Seafin. I'm going to get right bollocked off the Irish on this trip. Sorry everybody. Have a look at this one. Check that out. Wow. And the road, everything outstanding. Oh, there's another one over the other side. Have a quick look at this. Craig's just away wheeling down the hill. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, that was nice. Seafin viewpoint. I say it both ways. Probably still wrong. Yeah, very nice that. Everywhere you go though, every peninsula is lush. Thing about this Wild Atlantic Way as well is every corner brings something new. It's a different view around every bend. We're just coming into Bantry now. Nice little harbour town. Yes, coffee, lovely. Look at this, attention to detail under the lid. Can I beat that? Lovely that. Oh, lovely. No, 50 minutes to Kenmare. That's the next stop. This is the Ring of Bearer. Absolute fantastic road. Bend that keeps on giving. Just this. What a road. look at this. I don't know what they are. They're chrysanthemums or something. I don't know what they are. I might have got it wrong, but they're literally everywhere. Absolutely gorgeous, these trees. I don't know what they are. Someone can let us know that. Stunning. What a place. Larak. What a place. Just everywhere then. Gorgeous. God, you don't know where to look here. This is still on the ring of Bearer. So this is the start of the Healy Pass, which everybody has recommended, the R574, and everybody recommended that I don't miss. So let's see what this is like. Looking at the sat nav, it's going to be a little bit interesting. If you can see that, I'll just zoom in a bit. Look at the sat nav screen there. Lots of fun to be had up here. As long as it opens up a bit, I'm pretty sure it will. This is absolutely stunning. I mean, the best view I've had in since I went to Italy, I think. This is literally like a postcard, this. Doesn't even look real.
What a stunning place this is. The pass starts at the Adrigal Bridge in County Cork, and it goes on to the Laura Bridge in County Kerry. The Healy Pass is still on the Bearer Peninsula, and it's part of the Caha mountain range. It's 334 metres to its highest point. It's definitely a must-see for anybody riding these roads. Probably the best view we've seen in a couple of years. When you get to the top of the pass, there's a little pull in, and when you look over to your left, you can see the roads ahead look absolutely spectacular. It's just a total roller coaster ride for a motorcycle. You'll absolutely love it.
This is the N71 heading towards Kenmare. What a road. If you like roller coasters, you'll love this. Whoa, yeah. Oh, back end. Back end a bit sneaky there. My God. Don't stop. Oh, let's go on there. Nowhere to look. The white lines, the bumps, the sheep, or the views. Bloody hell, I can't see a thing. Surprised they never brought the insides of the tunnel down, all the revving in there. Well, that was excellent. Another brilliant road. I went to Kenmare, pick up some bait for the night. Just coming into Kenmare now. Beautiful little town from what I remember. Stayed here just after lockdown. Literally the week it opened. We look out for a supermarket to get some food for tonight and a sandwich for now. Thank you very much once again, Aldi. Although the beers are better in the Scottish Aldi, must say. Right, so off to the Ring of Kerry now. Leaving Kenmare, heading west on the Ring of Kerry. So we may find a campsite, or I don't know what it's like for a wild camp spot, I'm not sure, but we'll need to be looking for somewhere within the next hour definitely. So stay tuned and see where we get. Just coming along the Ring of Kerry now. I'm out the bloody seat and everything here. Whee! Whee, what a child. 3:45 in the afternoon. Still giving it what for? For a beer and milk and water. All sorts. Feel the extra weight on the back. So we're gonna try this campsite down here. Don't have to take tents, do they? Look at that water. That's beautiful, that water, look at it.
That's the idea with no cars going in it.
This little campsite, a massive campsite on the beach on the Ring of Kerry. Craig, and I've just witnessed something. What did you say, Craig?
I said, Corey, I'll get you a pint.
So these two buggers have sneaked off to the bar. Sneaky little buggers. Totally sneaky. We've come for a sneaky pint. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ian's on his way. Proper pulled the dirty on him. Where you been? Not my fault. I wasn't here first. They were here first.
Oh, Harry's.
Alright.
I'll have to get that again.
Sorry, Ian, but it was them, not me.
Well, we fell here by an accident, and then Peter followed us. He's just did. That's exactly what we need.
What about that, eh?
Beautiful, man.
Doing that,
Oh,
just
no.
stand it up and the front wheel goes up. It caught me out today, you know. You know when you overtook some cars, it was a quick overtake, and Ian followed us. I nailed it, third gear. It just went straight up.
On private road. So this is our little pitch here. Only two other tents here. Everyone waiting for their dinner.
Nope. Just find out what IP is.
Alright, any good? What you got?
That one one that you recommended since we've been in the mountains. I thought we'd try
Whistle
the
Mountain
one.
IPA, aye? Any good?
Lovely.
Yeah, well, it's probably more.
He's going to be trouble tonight.
Tonight's concoction. He's going to be bothering the night, him. Well, no. Bit windy the night, so we'll go for the gas adapter.
Let's see how this works. That's how it works.
No prawns.
What could go wrong?
Pete will be happy if I go away for 5.
Could you him trying to assist it? Oh my god, that's just going to fall straight off. Will they keep big pan of pasta on it now? Tell you what, we'll do the pasta on there.
Okay.
Right, you do it. Right, do the, put that there. And we'll do the prawns on yours. Right. We'll have that there, right? That.
Also catch fire when you need it on the pan.
That's alright. That's fine. That'll go on there. And then here.
Not a clue what that's for.
Water. Plenty of water.
I've got more in mine if you want it like.
Tonight's tipple I've gone full Irish. Oh, rigid. Too many wheelies again. Wheelie good beer this. Cheers. Probably but the Irish red last night was better. Cheers everyone.
Ready, Pete?
So this is the 4.5 litre
Straight through there,
Trangia
like
Billy
Two
can,
doors closed and the door in the middle's open.
which is brilliant for the camp
Only the
cook.
window open.
Smells nice, that, Pete.
It's all closed. I don't leave it. It's still full up with that, isn't it?
No, it did say that though, didn't it, Ian? I didn't make it up. It said make your way to the till.
Gluten free. Bollocks.
Yeah.
So the gluten-free chili prawn pasta actually turned out to be one of the nicest meals we've made. After the wind died, we had an early night, and after several beers we slept great on the cliffside. I'd appreciate you to subscribe and click the notification bell. There's a lot more to come like this from this great trip. Catch us all on day 3.